Hi everybody, it's Joe Krug from Finsweet. In this video, we're going over how to implement the attention icon with a scroll into view element trigger. What's going to happen is as we scroll into view here, when this button and this Lottie icon come into view, we're going to animate the Lottie icon, and when we scroll out of view, we're going to animate out. Let's see how this looks. When I go into preview and I scroll down, we'll see that the Lottie starts playing and it doesn't loop, it just plays once. When I scroll out of view and then I go back, it's going to reset itself. And this will continue to happen. Let's see how we've set this up inside Interactions. We're setting the element trigger on the Lottie icon itself. You can set this on pretty much any page element on the page. You can set it on the button, you can set it on the parent wrapper, you can set it on some other div on the page. As long as it comes into view, this is going to be affected. And let's go right into the scroll into view element trigger. We are placing scroll into view, and there'll be two different animations. One scroll into view, and then when scrolled out of view, we're going to have a different action playing where it scrolls out of view. So let's go into the into view. We are giving it an initial state of 0%. It's starting out at nothing, blank frame. And then when it comes into view with an offset of 25%, when it's 25% into the screen, we're going to run this animation. And for 2 seconds, we're going to animate it from 0% to 86%. So that's what this looks like. And it stops at 86%. If you don't want it to pump, maybe you just want it to animate into the arrow, go ahead and just remove that part of the Lottie. There we go. So if I were to do this, it's just going to draw out. And I can go ahead and change this to 1 second duration. Nice. But we want the pumps. We're all about the pumps here. So let's bring this back up to, what was it, 86%. Let's do 87. Nice. That looks great. So it's going to do that once when it comes into 25% of the screen. And then when we scroll out, we're going to have a different action, and that is going to scroll out with a duration of 0.6. I could set this to 0, I could set this to 2, doesn't really matter. It depends if you want the user maybe to see it if they scroll back and forth, or if you just want it to happen really quick. Let's actually set this to 0. We don't even need to see it. So as I scroll in, I see it, scroll out, it just goes away instantly. And it will continue to play. Now, if you don't want it to reset and you just want it to play once, it never plays again, you don't have to set this when scrolled out of view. I can just remove this entirely. Oh, I removed the wrong one. So I can remove this one entirely. I can start an animation, scrolled into view, and now this is going to scroll in. When I scroll out, it's not going to reset. It just stays here. And you can set it up like that too. It's very, very flexible. But we want it to reset. We want that to continue playing. So we'll go and reset that out of view back here. So we have the nice scrolling and the reset. And that is how you implement an attention icon with scroll into view.
That's effing sweet.